Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Slerf token. Now this is a Sloth meme coin on the Solana blockchain that just got a very big central exchange listing starting today. I'm sure they got a few central exchange listings, but we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a very popular new token. Solana meme coins are very popular these days, and this is another one. So this project here just got listed today, March 18th at 10 o'clock UTC time, which has already passed, so it's available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Slerf, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm willing to bet that this token is probably trending right now. If we have a look at Dex Screener, it's probably on there. Now, this token is on SolScan. It's on Dex Tools. You're going to find it on Dex Screener, possibly Bird Eye. All sorts of different listing sites. You'll be able to see the chart. I haven't checked CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap yet. But I'm sure it's on there as well. Now, I just went on, this is crazy. I just went on Dex Tools here. They have Baby Slerf, Slerf Based Slerf, Slerf Pixel, just Slerf with Hat. So many Slerfs. People trying to capitalize off the popularity of this token right now. And yeah, they have a lot of holders, 68,922 holders. They are on CoinGecko. I just see it right here. Their official webpage is slerf.wtf, 9 decimal places on this token. So Slerf is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. It's about 79.7 cents per token right now, according to SolScan. Their market cap on SolScan, it says $398 million. Current supply is 499,997,000. And yeah, 9 decimal places on this token. So on their webpage, it says their pre-sale sold out. So they had a pre-sale prior to this that did very well. So that's probably where a lot of their holders came from. They sold 5.1 million, no, what is that there? It looks like $5.1 million worth of tokens. Or maybe even 10 million. I don't know. It's very weird the way they had it. It looks like it says $5,131.40, but then it says 10 million up there. So who knows what they sold? Maybe it'll say on their Twitter or something. But so who is Slerf, anyways? Once upon a time, nestled in the lush canopies of the Amazon rainforest, lived Slerf the Sloth, famed for his lethargic, endearing ways. One faithful night, as he gazed upon the shimmering moon, an idea sparked within him. Determined to reach the celestial body, Slerf embarked on his slow and steady journey, inching his way through the dense foliage. With unwavering determination, he traversed rivers and climbed towering trees, each movement deliberated and calculated. As the days turned into weeks, Slerf's perseverance paid off as he finally reached the moon, basking in his ethereal glow, becoming the first sloth to achieve such a feat. And from that moment on, Slerf's legendary ascent inspired creatures across the blockchain to reach for the stars, proving that even the slowest among us can achieve greatness with patience and determination. So how the tokens are split up here, we got 50% of the tokens going to LP, 50% pre-sale. So I'm assuming they had a big pre-sale. They could have done airdrops as well, and maybe that's where all the token holders came from. Let's see when this token was created on Raydium here. So it says here their pool on Raydium was created 4 hours 22 minutes ago. And yeah, so it says they have $95.9 million in liquidity in Raydium. Now, yeah, so yeah, there's a big difference in numbers for some reason on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and SolScan. SolScan for some, I guess SolScan compiles a whole bunch of different pools, but still. Anyway, so they have a token metrics allocation pie chart on here. They have, oh, this is the top 100 contributors. So they mark the people who bought the most tokens in the pre-sale, I guess, 1 to 100 on their webpage, kind of giving them credit for, I guess, being whales. Good job, whales. So they also have a Twitter and a Telegram that's linked on their webpage. Their Twitter, as always, I'm going to throw in the corner of the screen there, at Slerf Soul. It says 100% in the LP in circulation, no team tokens. Then it has a link to the contract address there in case you want to get this off Raydium or Jupiter instead of Mexc Global. They have a link to their Telegram and their webpage right on that Twitter. They just joined in March 2024, brand new project, 53,300 Twitter followers, 77 tweets. Their Telegram has 19,534 members, 5,357 of them are online. So those are two great places to see updates and join the conversation regarding this project if you want to learn more. So yeah, lots of holders. 24-hour trading volume right now, it says, is $1.47 billion. That's what it says on Dex Tools. Now, I mean, that's a big number. I'm going to assume that's accurate, but I mean, that's pretty high. So that's a crazy trading volume right there, $1.47 billion. I was looking at this token earlier on Mexc Global, and it was just going all over the place, you know, up 120%, up 100%, 110%, 120, you know, like just all over the place. And it says here that they have 283,000 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 100.97 million Slerf tokens. They do have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on Dex Tools, and there's no warnings on it, so that's good to see. Contract is verified, no honeypot, cannot mint tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks, it says. So that's just a quick audit, though, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I mean, this token's going crazy today. This is the popular token for the day. Yesterday it was Snap. Day before that it was trying to remember. Too many tokens these days. Obviously, Book of Meme the other day was crazy. Snap token was yesterday. What was the one before that? There was another popular token right before that. Anyways, go check out Slerf. That's the big one for today anyways. Very popular today. It's going to be very volatile, I'm sure, today, going crazy. It is on Mexc Global now, so if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. I might start doing member-only videos in the future, so if you want to hit that join button and support the channel and see some members-only videos eventually, that's the place to be. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.